talk about the monster, you bring him down to size. The first thing you do is start with his eyes. Were they square, were they round? Was he looking at the ground? Were they beady with a wrinkle and made you wanna tinkle? When you talk about the monster, you bring him down to size. So tell me about his nose. Was it a button or a hose? Was it long and really sticky, or was it short and really icky? Did he sniffle and kinda snortle, or did he snuffle and sorta chortle? When you talk about the monster, you bring him down to size. So what you gonna do? 'Cause it's really up to you. He's trying to say goodbyes. So you talk about the monster and bring him down to size.